First, let me just climb up here. Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Motorman coming at you with some motor action. Today I'm bringing you sport bikes versus off-road dirt bikes. That's what this video is about today. I'm Motorman. Look at this amazing view. Let's get started. So yeah, I'm on a sport bike right now, as you can see, Yamaha R6. Let's see if we can get a little debate going on this video. Who likes what? What's better? Sport bike, road bikes, or off-road? What do you like? Tell me in the comments below, yo. This thing is sick, man. Well, I gotta take it easy because I'm slightly out of my element right now. Ooh, man. Things like an see, I'm used to bumpers and you need to change gears a lot, but this thing, you just accelerate and then you're going, like, you know what I'm saying? This thing is mental, man. Oh, so I've been without a road bike for too long, I'll tell you that. I've been riding on my CRF 250L for quite a while. And that's why I thought I'd spark this, you know, little debate, little video. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, I just wanted to see, you know, because they're like two completely different kinds of riding, you know. And I really do enjoy my off-road, you know, not a lot of power CRF 250L. It's one of my most favorite bikes I've owned, but man, when you get on a bike like this, it's like, well, this is 130 plus horsepower. I think it might be about 135 horsepower. And just getting used to the clutch X friction zone here. Yeah, when you get used to that kind of adventure bike, you know, small cc dirt bike or dirt bike, you know, you got the whole adventure thing to consider. But like when I'm driving this is like, you know, this brings back all the road stuff. And the road stuff is, man, this shit's fun right now, I'll tell you that, man. You got some crazy power, you just bring it out, man. Just listen to the engine, look. It's like a fucking F1 car, man. Yeah, so I want to say actually that I'm not favoring either type. Like, I own a dirt bike in this Supersport versus dirt bike comparison. I own a dirt bike, but that doesn't make me biased. Now I'm actually getting a road bike in the next few months, but that's for another video. So I like to show both kinds of riding on my channel. You know, because I'm addicted to that already. I tell you that, I don't want to get off this bike now. And this makes my CRF 250L feel pretty boring, I'm not going to lie. Oh crap. Oh
What rồi?
ลืมไป ATM 95-200 ครับ Forgetting I need money for petrol here. Got the petrol. If someone says to you, hey bro, how fast does it go? You go like this. You go as fast as you want. Ooh, that's what you say. You say as fast as you want. My god, how fast you want to go? Yeah, it does it. Wait, how fast you want to go? 100 foot? Yeah, oh, that goes that. Wait, no, I want to go 200 foot. Yeah, oh, that goes that too. Oh my word. Tell ya, I'm definitely digging these kind of bikes these days. Look how nice looking that is, man. Oh, it's a gorgeous bike, isn't it? R6. Yamaha R6. Fucking gorgeous, man. Look at that. Full Leo Vince SBK exhaust on it. So, Supersport bikes. Therefore, if you want more power, or maybe if you even want any more power. So I guess we've established that they're more powerful. There she is, the ancient Doi Changdao. Look how beautiful that is. On road again, off road again, on road again, off road again. What? But if you have access to these kind of places and you don't live like in London or something like that, or in New York, when you have this vast jungle and amazing views that you can find only off-road, that should be a factor for Rut City. One day maybe I'll attempt that for you, YouTube. Fucking hell, like. Ooh, that's a steep ride right there, boy. But this definitely makes for a good video anyway. Woo! Power! Oh my! Fuck! Man, I kind of let off because I just thought like, how high is it gonna scream? And it was like 14-ish thousand, maybe a bit more. Oh my word, this thing will just scream. It goes, and then you're like, I think that's it, and then it goes, and even that's it, and it goes, oh my word. My god, missile. So you might have an off-road bike on this hand and a Supersport bike on this hand, but ultimately the choice is yours. What would you like to ride? Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. They function for different things, and most people will go for the kind of bike that they like the style of the most.